Hello, good morning. Please have a seat. Okay, what brings you in today? Good morning, doctor. Thank you for seeing me. I'm here because I'm really concerned about my son, Ethan. He's just 3 years old, and lately he's been hitting other children at daycare and even during play date. I see. That must be stressful, right? And then, when did this behavior start? It started a few months ago, but it's gotten worse recently. At first, it happened occasionally, but now it's becoming more frequent. Sometimes it's when another child takes a toy, but sometimes it happens for no clear reason. Okay, how do the teacher or caregivers usually respond when this happens? They try to spare him and explain that hitting is not okay, but they have started telling me that they worried some kids are avoiding him now, and that really breaks my heart. Okay, and how do you respond to him when he hits? I try to stay calm and tell him that hitting is wrong, and I encourage him to use words instead. But honestly, I'm starting to feel like I don't know what else to do. I understand. At this age, children are still learning how to manage their emotions and communicate their needs. But when aggressive behavior becomes frequent or intense, it's important to look more closely. Has Ethan shown any other behaviors that concern you? Sometimes he has tantrum and that are really intense, and he gets frustrated easily when things don't go his way. But at other times, he can be very sweet and affectionate, and that's good to know. And how is his speech and language development? Can he express himself clearly? Yes, he speaks quite well for his age. He can form sentences and usually tells me what he wants. That's why I don't understand why he keeps hitting. Okay, is this possible that this is a part of emotional regulation difficulty, which is not uncommon at this stage? However, since it's becoming disruptive socially, I think it would be helpful to do a more detailed assessment. This will help us determine whether this is a typical for his development or if there's a deeper behavior or emotional concern. Do you think he might have a disorder? It's too early to say without proper evaluation. Some behaviors at this age may look concerning but are still within the range of normal development. That said, early intervention, whether or not there's diagnosis, can make a big difference in helping him manage his emotion and build better social skill. I really want to help him. What should we do next? Okay, we will start with an intake assessment, and I will ask you to fill out a few behavior checklists, and if needed, we might also observe him here. or refer him for further developmental evaluation. In the meantime, I can give you some strategies to try at home. That would be very helpful. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Mom. You're doing the right thing by coming in early. Let's work together to support Ethan.